My name is Alex, and this is my 2002 C5 Corvette Z06. It is Quicksilver metallic, and I've owned this car for 5 years now. I bought it with 14,000 miles on it. It has 30,000 miles on it currently, and I absolutely love it to death. The C5 Z06 was produced between 2001 and 2004. 2002 was the first model year of the increased horsepower. These cars are excellent performers on the track and your canyon roads. If you're looking for a performance car under 20 grand, there's no better performance bargain than a C5 Z06. Out of the box, it's an excellent performer. The C5 Corvette Z06 has 405 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque from the LS6 V8 engine. The Z06 takes the fixed roof coupe and kind of turns it up to 11. It also has bigger wheels and tires, better performance brakes. The Z06 also has these rear brake ducts. Another big modification to the C5 Z06 is that it comes with a titanium exhaust from the factory, and that was quite unusual in 2002, and it saves about 19 pounds from the rear of the car. Now I lowered the car on the factory bolts with the leaf springs just a little bit. One of my favorite features of the C5 Corvette is the pop-up headlights. It's so totally 90s. I love it. This car has the memory package. So it has power seats on the bottom half of the seat. The backrest is still manual. Interior stock except for the Hearst shift knob. This is my custom 1997 silver Hot Wheels C5. I modified it with Hot Wheels gray PR5 wheels, and I removed all the tampos from the vehicle. I also detailed the Corvette with taillights and amber front turn signals. I wish Hot Wheels would make a C5 Corvette Z06 with a fixed roof body. Thank you, Hot Wheels, for putting on this virtual Hot Wheels Legends tour. I was at my first Legends tour in 2019 in Temecula, California, and it was one of the best car shows I've ever been to. Thanks for watching my Corvette.